Good afternoon, student. Today we will continue our previous chapter from geography. Chapter number 1, our environment. Okay. We have already studied about what is environment, what are the components of our environment, and today we have to study major domain of the earth. And first point lithosphere and second point atmosphere we have already studies. Today we will continue third point hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is referred to the water like ocean, sea, lakes and rivers. It all collectively form the hydrosphere. Okay, and it all these component of the hydrosphere is essential for important for human beings, plants and animals. Without water life is not possible. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Next, what is the features of hydrosphere? Let us know. First point, it provides us great variety of seafoods and minerals. You know that we all, especially non-vegetarian, are having food from the sea, rivers, lakes like fish, and also gets minerals from the hydrosphere, from these components of the hydrosphere. Next point is it provides a natural link between the continent. For example, North America and South America, and here is Atlantic Ocean, and these Africa and Europe. All these states are connected to these Atlantic Oceans. Oceans are the main component of the hydrosphere. Next point is because oceans are big, large, that's why it is the main component of the hydrosphere. The elevation of any landforms is measured by the ocean floors. You know that the land is distribution is not evenly. Plateau, mountain, hills and all these landforms height is measured by the ocean floor. Next point is it is also used a means of transport by the people. Okay. Our next point is environmental hazards. What is environmental hazards? It is a risk or a danger existing is termed as a hazard. It may be natural hazards. What is natural hazard? For example, earthquakes, landsliding, volcanoes, floods, drought. All these are natural hazards. Many natural processes operating on the surface or in the interior of the earth. For example, hot molten rock material called magma, and when magma rising from the interior of the earth, that is part of the process of rock formation. But at the same time, It also causes earthquakes and volcanoes. The earthquakes and volcanoes cause great harm, like the living and non-living thing. These effects on the surface of the earth. Our next point is biosphere. What is biosphere? It means the living world. It contains all forms of life. Living forms means plants, animals, human beings, etc. What is biosphere? What do you mean by the biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. And what is the features of this biosphere? First point, it is most important part of the earth. Next point, it is part of the earth that is occupied by the living organism. It means this land occupied by the living organism, whether it is plants, animals, human beings, maybe. Next point is it extends from less than 11 km below sea level to the tropospause. Its extension, biosphere extension, 11 km below from the sea level. Next point is it provides us with favorable condition for life. This biosphere provides favorable condition for living beings. Both the biotic and abiotic environment are interdependent and provide a variety of food and raw material. Biotic, whether it is biotic or non-abiotic. All the plants, animals and human beings depends on their surrounding. This interrelation between human beings and their surrounding forms an ecosystem. Okay. Next day we will study about ecosystem. Okay, thank you.